What's up, YouTube? I'm here to show you guys my 2018 fireworks stash. This year, I don't know if this stash is bigger than last year's. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Got to check out the videos. I haven't made a video on YouTube in a long time. But basically, this is overall what I have. Let me run through it. 500 grams. I have Lone Wolf, American Pyro, Hit the Road Jack, American Celebration, Wind Chill, Peak Performance, Pyro Nation, Feel the Heat, Fiery Fly, Daredevil, Earthquake, I don't even know how to pronounce that, and Irish Legend. Loyal to None, Open Fire, I don't even know how to pronounce that either. Kickstart, Wacky Tobacco, Prime Time, Rock On, Gunslinger, Wind Up. I got Quest shells back there, canister shells. I got a box of Excalibur. I have some Destroyer shells, canister shells. And then I also got some TNT festival balls. Down here I have assorted Roman candles, a pack of Thunder Crackers. Forgot how many is in there. Got a brick of firecrackers. Two 300 shot Saturn Mills batteries, two 100 shot Saturn Mills batteries. I get around here to 200 grams. I have Junkyard Dog, 10-4, American Anthem, the Cowboy, Suspended Animation. I got 3 Thunderstorms. I have a Texas Rattlesnake, Do or Die, Matrix Pyro, Killer Alligator, Bling Bling, AF1, Thunder Nation. Then right here I have Bump Bear, Hard Claw, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Dragon Charm, 3 times the whistle. I have some Streaming Rockets, some Black Cat Bottle Rockets from last year, and some type of Night Stalker rocket from World Class from last year. This pack of firecrackers, paintball guns. And just to show you guys where I shop at, I'm gonna show you the price list. I paid $500 down. I damn near paid $500 for all this. I shop at Mike Killiner's, or how you pronounce it, Mike Killen's Wholesale Fireworks. This is just one of my price lists. If you could clearly get in there. This is all about my price list of how much I paid for some of these 500 grams. And then here's my other price list. If you guys don't believe me, you need to check them out. They are located in Tennessee, along the Georgia, Tennessee, and Alabama borderlines. That's their address. But yeah, I basically bought all these 500 grams from there, except for these two and this. Everything else I bought from Fireworks Outlet. I recommend them to anyone. You guys should go check them out. The cheapest, best price on fireworks place anywhere I know. But yeah, this is my 2018 fireworks stash. It's gonna be a hell of a goddamn year this year. And I'm thinking about going to buy some more. I'm not sure yet. We got fireworks stores here in Georgia, but I'm not sure. The prices are just too extreme. I might go and buy a couple of 200 grams or something. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, this is my 2018 fireworks stash. Any comments, questions, leave them. I'll be happy to answer. It's gonna be a great 4th. Thank you.